Hey friends, if you wish to troubleshoot any wireless network connections on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So first of all, you need to check for the internet connection here. Now what happens is that at times we have a 4G network and a 5G network. And the 5G network may not be visible, so you can connect to the 4G network at that point of time. And then you can restart the router for the 5G network to appear. Also, make sure that it is apparent on other devices connected to the router. This is one thing. Other than this, you can right click on the start button and select settings. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, and then you can scroll down and select troubleshoot. You can select other troubleshooters, and then you can click on run corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter. And then the last option is to go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. Scroll down and select advanced network settings, and then select network reset, and finally click on reset now and then on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.